Now that you will close your work or you close your shed and it takes you 5 hours. It takes you 5 hours for you to get to your destination. We are not in the zoo. We are not in the zoo. You know, we are not in the zoo. You come, everything is, everything is just going. You'll be seeing it. You enjoy to, I enjoy entering transport, entering commercial vehicle. You know, I enjoy entering commercial vehicle because you don't have any delay. Not like in the zoo. And somebody will be in the zoo and then if I talk, the person will shout on me. The person will say, come to zoo. This person will say this, that. I'm just showing you the movement. Is it now up to maybe 30 minutes? No. So I'm going to take my bike.